Hi, today we want to talk about the AW cup. This is a cup holder that is going to help implement 5S principles by getting rid of any unwanted bottles on any workstation or any other structure for that matter. It is made with ABS plastic that is adjustable and can extend to accommodate different formats. So get creative and use it for all kinds of items. The clamp opening size can accommodate pipe sizes ranging from 3 1/4 to 1.5 inches. So at just over an inch, the flex pipe is an ideal material to be able to secure the cup holder safely. So whether it's a drink or any other product for that matter, the idea is to clean up your workstation. So the cup holder is easy to install, no tools needed. Simply clamp the grip around the pipe, spin the handle, and press down to secure the cup holder safely. A similar product is the AW holder, which is going to also help free up space by essentially holding drills, hammers, scanners, things of that nature. So be part of the solution and help optimize any work environment.